Hi everyone, John Marquis here, your Builder CPA, and I'm so excited for you to walk along with me on this Kickstart journey. So starting with the first week, we're going to be going through accounts payable. You might be wondering why accounts payable is important, and it's because it's the listing of all of the money that you owe to your subcontractors and your vendors, and we can use it to make a plan for how and when they will get paid so you can maximize your cash flow status along with making sure that all of your jobs are getting done on time. So hopefully we can get rid of any threats from subcontractors to stop work or anything like that. So we're here in the QuickBooks file, and on the home page, we're going to navigate to reports. And at the top, you'll probably see your favorites. You can type in this search bar, Accounts Payable Aging Summary. That's the name of the report that we're looking for. I'm also going to navigate down here because I want to show you this is such an important report. I would make sure that I click the star. So now it's in my favorites, and when I go back to the top, I can quickly access it here. Then I'm going to hit this arrow button over here and export to Excel. Even though it's exporting to Excel, I prefer to use Google Sheets just because it's so much more friendly to share. But if you must use Excel, that's totally fine. You can upload your resulting document as well. So I'm just going to copy and paste the report in here, and then I don't need this over here, and you're going to want a lot of room to type, so you can expand the column, and then pick your favorite color. Mine is blue. I like to have the column in blue where I'm adding my comments. And then I just need you to be as descriptive as possible. So for example, I know this is paid, not sure why it still shows I owe this. Currently disputing, and I believe we will only owe 500 after. And then, just be as descriptive as possible. And whenever you can, if you can request a statement from your vendor, that's really helpful. So you can say vendor statement shows I actually owe 700. So that tells us we're missing a bill somewhere along the way, and then this should have been refunded. So anytime that you can just give us a description, more to the story, more information, we greatly appreciate that. And as soon as we see this file come through from you, we will start working in the back end to get these cleaned up. So if we know that this was a refund, we will start searching for that in the bank feed. Same with this situation, we'll search for these transactions in the bank feed to make sure that they're properly matched. So just be as descriptive as possible, and if you can upload any vendor statements, that's great. Once you've compiled all of your comments, just hit the share button up here, and you can share it directly with my email address, which is jmarkee@mybuildercpa.com. And I'd appreciate it if you can allow the notification to come through. That tells me that we're ready to get started on this as soon as possible. And if for whatever reason you have a hard time with this report, you're not sure what you should write, you can't quite get there in QuickBooks, we can just go through it together during our call. Not a problem at all. I have no problem walking you through this process, but this video is primarily for people who want to get started a little bit faster. Another thing I recommend is naming it for your company. So I like it to say Accounts Payable Kickstart for you, just so that I don't get any of the files mixed up. And Don't hesitate to send me an email if you have questions, and otherwise I will see you during our next Quick Start meeting. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.